Today I am going to show one of the new projects. It's a smart home automation system using the IoT module. So in this smart home automation system, we have attached different types of the sensor. So let's see which type of the sensor we have to use, and IoT with the IoT modules, and this is the output load. Okay, first of all we have to use a voice module, then IR sensor for the theft detection. If anyone enter in your house, then it will be detected with IR sensor. Then there is a LDR sensor, and then this is the PR motion sensor. In this box there is a PR motion sensor. So these four types of the sensor we have to use in this project, and this is the output side. Okay, and this is IoT module. This is main control board Arduino Uno with LCD display. This is also one DC fan with a relay board. This fan we have to operate from smartphone. Okay, so let's see how this project works. First of all you have to switch on the project. Okay, after that all the sensor it is in on condition by green signals. Okay, so first of all I will activate one sensor. Okay, right now at the display also you see L means LDR, so it is in a dark condition, that's why this LED bulb is glow. Okay, so let's see, I put some light on LDR sensor, light condition. So as I put the lights in front of LDR, so it is in off condition now. Okay, so when I remove, it is in on condition. So this is for the LDR sensor. So let's see for the theft detections. Theft detection we have used one IR sensor. So whenever I put in front of the buzzer creates, that means a theft is detected. Okay, theft is on, that means someone is enter in your home, so that is indication for the theft. Okay, next is the voice module. So when you create some sound, so the LED is on. Okay, so this is for the voice module. Okay, inside the box there is a PR motion sensor. Whatever the conditions, all the conditions are written on the app, mobile telnet app, like LDR is dark, theft is detected, like this. Now we have to open the PR motion sensor. So PR is in off condition now. PR motion sensor sense, and it is light is on. So whenever any type of motion is detected by in PR sensor, then light is on at that time. Okay, so it is very dedicated things because it is senses easily. Also there is a lots of messages are coming from the circuit system to my smartphone through app. Okay, now let's see how I can control the DC fan from my mobile phone from this same app. So for that I have just write *1# and send. So as you see, the fan is on now, relay board is on. When I want to stop, just I put *2# and send. Now it is in few seconds, it is in off condition. So in this way, smart home automation system with lots of sensors, you can operate automatically. Also you can control the home devices from your smartphones. So in this way the total projects of smart home automation system using the IoT modules works. Hope you like this type of the project. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel. Thanks.